Hey friends, I'm back with a special edition Dyson vacuum cleaner video. And this one's going to be entitled, Don't Think You're So Smart, because I was getting pretty confident in my Dyson repair skills, and I've learned something new today. The Dyson Ball vac, and any other Dyson vacuum that has this top filter right on top of the dustbin. It's this long, skinny, tubular filter. And it's got the symbol on it to say that it's okay to wash this in the sink, wring it out, and then let it dry for 24 to 48 hours before putting it back in. And I did that just a few weeks ago. And the vacuum was working great. I get it out today, and we really haven't used it that much in the last few weeks. No suction at all. Dust and gravel off the floor. So I took it apart, took this out. Looked pretty dirty, but I could feel some dirt down in it. I'm like, all right, we'll wash it out. So I held it up and I filled it up with water to flush it out. The water didn't leave. The water stayed right in it, just very slowly dribbling out. I'm like, well, that's no good. So I filled it up, squished it a few times, back and forth, wrung it out, back and forth. And even then, the water was just barely trickling out the bottom. I took and gripped the bottom of it and felt it and squeezed it, and it felt like a big lump in there. So I got my long screwdriver out, and I started probing around in there and pulling. And after, one more trick. This top cover plate here pops off. You grab a hold of it, you can pop that off to make it way easier to get down in there and clean. And you'd be surprised. Look what I got out of the bottom of this bag. And there's my hand, and there's the pile of dirty dust and hair and fibers that came out of this filter, I'd say from about here down, which was causing the filter not to do its job and the vacuum not to have suction. I was just getting ready to buy a new one of these filters when I thought, well, let's try and clean it with a screwdriver. But there you go. A new tip for today. In-depth detail in how to clean your Dyson top filter, and a warning not to get too overconfident in your own skills and knowledge, because there are going to be things you don't know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.